So the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Samsung's big upgrade. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, well, let's be honest, wasn't that much of an upgrade compared to its predecessor, but this is a big jump forward, and it's the sort of thing we've been waiting for several years from Samsung, because it's now really followed rivals like Oppo, OnePlus, Honor, and it's made a thinner, lighter, sleeker, and more importantly, bigger displayed device. It's a really quite impressive feat of engineering, and let's be honest, a major upgrade over previous years. The first thing is it's impressively thin. It's only 4.2mm when unfolded, and that makes it only 9mm when folded, which is basically the same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is the flagship of the Ultra bar phone. And I can't believe that this has actually managed to achieve that as well. And it's lighter, only 215 grams compared to 218. It's only 5mm wider at 64.9mm, but still narrower than the main rivals. One of the ways that Samsung has done this is made the front display of the phone that much more sleek. It extends a bit further and it's now 5mm wider at nearly 65mm, but it is still narrower than some of its main rivals from Google or from OnePlus, for instance. So it does feel tall and thin, but not prohibitively so. But the biggest change, of course, is to the fold-out screen. That's now an 8-inch main display. It's big, it is bright, and it really, really feels good in the hand. Now, Samsung has almost removed the crease down the middle. You can still see it, and there are big questions over, once you've done a fair few folds, is it going to start to become more noticeable? Is it going to wrinkle? Is it going to sort of flap around a little bit? But right now, you can even barely feel it when you're running your finger over the middle, which is pretty impressive. It's got this new hinge design. It's called the Armor Flex hinge, which is supposed to be good for 200,000 open and closes, and gives it a bit more structure while maintaining that thinness as well. Now, I'm a big fan of the blue shadow color that we've got here as well, which looks really nice. And on the back, we've got the cameras. We've got a 200 megapixel main camera. There's a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. We also saw that in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Inside, we've got 12 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of RAM and go all the way up to 1 terabyte of storage. Now, the battery inside is actually smaller than the Z Fold 6. It's only a 4,400 milliamp battery, which makes sense given the fact that this phone is obviously so much more thin. But Samsung reckons it's actually extended the battery by optimizations using a new processor inside, one from Qualcomm, and actually managed to get this phone to last longer, even though it's got a smaller battery pack. It's using Android 16 out of the box with the One UI 8 on top of it, which is easily Samsung's best software yet. And the good thing is it's going to get 7 years of upgrades, which means it'll go all the way to at least Android 23. But fundamentally, this is the nicest looking phone that Samsung has ever made. It isn't cheap. It starts at $2,000, which makes it the most expensive Galaxy Fold yet. It makes sense when you hold it in the hand, though, of course. Is this the phone that's going to make you want to move towards foldables? I'd say get it in your hand first. Even though it's expensive, you can feel this is a really premium device, and it might just be the one that pushes you over the edge.